Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time watching my video, please click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell. When you click the notification bell, click all so that you can get notified of our community page. So that's where I'll post like giveaways and things of that sort, and also other information. And please keep on sharing our videos. Thank you so much to all of you that have shared our videos. You guys are the real MVP. So I got a video request from Brunel Hopkins, and hopefully I'm saying the name right, and they said, I was hoping you would do a video showing how to twist your hair so that the parts wouldn't be showing through my scalp. I can't seem to get rid of the parts. So now the reason why my hair appears twisted already and I didn't start off with my hair untwisted is because it really doesn't matter how you twist your hair for the parts to not show up. And this is what she or he is referring to, this part, you know, like when you take your hair and you part it, you know, whichever way. What matters is the way you take down your twist. I'm going to take down my twist right now, and I'm going to show you how it looks like when I first take it out initially before I start unraveling it so many times. So this is what my hair looks like after I've unraveled it one time and one time only. Yeah, and I twisted, if you're wondering what I used to twist my hair, I twisted my hair with aloe vera juice, and then I sealed it in with the Wonder Curl sealing butter, and that's what I used. So okay, so this is what the hair looks like. Now when you start unraveling the hair, the way you want to unravel it is you want to look at the hair, okay? So let's get close, and then you're gonna put your hair and kind of spread it like this. Now you see the parts that separate on their own, take that apart. So you see how they separate on their own, take that apart and keep on separating it like that. So just take it apart. The more you do this, the easier it will be to separate your hair. Okay, so this is how my hair looks after I've done, you know, the separation I was telling you guys about. So look at that, and then you separate. This is what my hair looks like. Now the fullness of your hair and the way it covers the parts, sometimes if your hair is short, it might not cover it fully. So what I used to do when my hair was shorter, because like right now you can see, let me take my standing mirror so that I can see the back. Okay, so right now you can see at the back, let's zoom that in. So at the back you can see, oh, am I going in focus? Okay, so at the back, what in the world? The struggles of being a YouTuber. This tripod. Okay, let's position this mirror too so that everybody will be in compliance. So at the back you can see the gaping spaces right over there. So what I do is I take my finger, sometimes I'll take my finger and I'll use my finger to kind of arrange the hair like that. Okay, so I'll arrange the hair, just use it to just kind of separate it so that it will hide the parts like that. Okay, so you can do that, just use your fingers and lift it. That's what I prefer to do. Some other people, what they do is they'll take a white what's this thing called, a pick. Yes, a pick, and they'll take a pick and they'll use a pick to lift it. But I don't like that because usually at this stage my hair feels, it's not dry, it's moisturized, but I don't want anything that will break my hair. So you can also use a pick to pick out your hair and get it the way you want. And this one also creates volume where there needs to be volume, so like that, and just gently tease it. But I prefer using my fingers, and your fingers can do it. So that is how I hide the parts in my hair. It's very simple. So just use your finger. Another thing you can do is you can take your hair, you can flip it My daughter does this a lot. My youngest daughter can flip it upside down and just scrub your scalp like this. When you scrub your scalp like that, it might lose definition at the base, but it will also hide the parts, and it will give it even more volume if you choose and if you want. If you guys like this video, if you have any other video requests, comment below, let me know, and share this video with everyone that you know, and we'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.